Hi, this is Katie Ryan with Sotheby's International Realty, and today I want to show you our newest listing in Monterey at 3309 Golden Oaks Lane. It's a one-bedroom, one-bath, oversized unit, very centrally located, so easy access to Carmel, Pebble Beach, Fisherman's Wharf, basically everything that the Monterey Peninsula has to offer. So come take a look. This beautifully remodeled condo offers a blend of comfort, style, and convenience in a prime Monterey location. Just minutes from Del Monte Shopping Center, downtown, and easy access to Carmel and Pebble Beach, this unit is ideal for those seeking both relaxation and accessibility. Inside, you'll find an updated interior featuring a stunning kitchen with stone countertops, custom cabinetry, marble backsplash, and modern appliances. The elegant tile shower, rich flooring, and dedicated office space enhance both functionality and appeal. This property is 656 square feet and listed at $565,000.